Hi, everyone.
Welcome.
Easy English with Alex and Sara. Listen, learn, and speak English with confidence.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sara.
And this is Easy English with Alex and Sara, your friendly place to practice English through real conversations.
Alex, I have a question for you.
Of course. What is it?
How many hours a day do you think people need to learn English?
That's a great question. What do most people think?
Most people think they need many hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours every day.
But that's not true, is it?
Not at all. And today, we're going to talk about that.
How to learn English every day, even when you are busy.
Even when you have work, family, and a full schedule.
This conversation is for you. Let's begin.
Alex, let's start with a big myth about learning English.
Which one?
The idea that you need hours and hours every day to improve.
Ah, yes. Many people think, if I don't have 2 hours, I can't study today.
Exactly. And then they don't study at all.
That's the problem. All or nothing thinking.
Right. But research shows something different.
What does it show?
It shows that short and consistent practice is better than long and irregular practice.
So 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week?
Exactly. 10 minutes every day. That's 70 minutes a week.
That's more than 1 hour, just from 10 minutes a day.
And your brain learns better with small, regular practice.
Because it has time to process and remember.
Precisely. Think about it like exercise.
Oh, I like this comparison.
If you go to the gym once a month for 4 hours, does that help?
No. Your body needs regular exercise to get stronger.
Same with your brain and English.
Small doses every day. That's the key.
That's the key.
Okay, Sara, let's talk about real habits. What can people do every day?
Habit number 1. Listen to English in the morning.
Like right now.
Exactly. Like right now. When you wake up, before you check social media, put on an English podcast.
Even if you don't understand everything.
Especially if you don't understand everything. Your ears are training, even when you don't realize it.
That's called passive listening.
Yes, and it's very powerful for beginners.
What's habit number 2?
Change your phone to English.
Oh, that's a simple one, but very effective.
You look at your phone maybe 100 times a day.
At least.
Every time you see a word in English, your brain learns a little.
Small exposures, all day long.
Exactly. Habit number 3. Talk to yourself in English.
We talked about this in our last episode.
Yes, and it works so well. While you cook, while you shower, while you walk.
Describe what you are doing. I am making coffee. The coffee is hot.
Simple sentences, but so useful.
It feels strange at first, but it becomes natural very quickly.
Habit number 4. Learn one new word every day.
Just one?
Just one. But use it. Write it. say it out loud. Use it in a sentence.
1 word a day. That's 365 words in a year.
That's a lot of vocabulary.
More than most people learn in a year of traditional classes.
And habit number 5. Watch something in English before bed.
A YouTube video, a short show, even 5 minutes.
With English subtitles, not your native language.
That's important. English subtitles force your brain to connect the sound with the word.
Exactly. Your native language subtitles, your brain just reads and ignores the audio.
Great point, Sarah.
Sarah, I think the hardest part is not starting a habit, it's keeping it.
You're absolutely right. Most people start strong and then stop after 2 weeks
Why does that happen?
because they rely on motivation.
And motivation comes and goes.
Exactly. Some days you feel excited to learn. Other days, you just want to rest.
So, what's the solution?
Don't rely on motivation. Build a system.
What do you mean by system?
Connect your English practice to something you already do every day.
Like, I already drink coffee every morning, so I listen to English while I drink my coffee?
Perfect example. That's called habit stacking.
You attach the new habit to an existing one.
And it becomes automatic. You don't need to think about it.
What's another example?
I already walk to work every day, so I listen to an English podcast during my walk.
Simple, effective, no extra time needed.
Exactly. You're not adding more to your day. You're just using the time you already have.
I love that. What about days when everything goes wrong?
Those days will happen, and that's okay.
Really?
Missing 1 day is not a problem. Missing 2 days starts to become a habit.
So the rule is never miss 2 days in a row.
That's a great rule. 1 bad day is an accident. 2 bad days is a pattern.
I'm gonna remember that.
Me too.
And now, let's review some useful words from today's conversation.
Ready?
Let's go.
Word number 1, consistent.
Consistent. What does it mean?
Consistent means doing something regularly, without stopping.
Example. She is consistent with her English practice. She studies every day.
Consistent is one of the most important words for learning anything.
Word number 2, habit.
A habit is something you do regularly, almost automatically, without thinking.
Example. Listening to English in the morning is a good habit.
Good habits take time to build, but once they are built, they are powerful. Word number 3, expose.
To expose means to put yourself in contact with something regularly.
Example, expose yourself to English every day and your listening will improve.
The more you expose yourself to English, the more natural it feels. Word number 4, automatic.
Automatic means something that happens without thinking or effort.
Example. After months of practice, speaking English started to feel automatic.
That's the goal. English becomes automatic, not something you have to think about. And word number 5, progress.
Progress means moving forward, getting better little by little.
Example, every day of practice is progress, even if it feels small.
Small progress every day leads to big results over time.
Always remember that.
Before we finish today, I want to ask you something.
Go ahead.
What is one habit from today's conversation that you can start tomorrow?
Just one. Not 5, not all of them. Just one.
Maybe changing your phone to English?
Maybe listening to English while you drink your morning coffee?
Maybe learning one new word before you sleep tonight.
Start with one, just one, and do it every day.
Because one small habit done every day is more powerful than a big effort done once.
Your English will improve. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week.
But if you stay consistent, it will happen. I promise.
We believe in you.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah.
Thank you for listening to Easy English with Alex and Sarah. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember,
Your English goal is closer than you think.
see you in the next one. Bye.